Ant keeping, also known as myrmecology, is the hobby of maintaining ant colonies in captivity. It has gained popularity over the years due to the fascinating behaviors and intricate societies of ants. Keeping ants can be both educational and rewarding, providing enthusiasts with a glimpse into the complex world of these tiny creatures. Before diving into ant keeping, it's essential to understand the basic principles involved. Here are some key aspects to consider. Housing. Ants require suitable housing, typically in the form of an artificial ant nest. These setups mimic the natural habitat of ants and provide them with space to forage, nest, and rear their brood. Feeding. Ants are omnivores and require a varied diet. They feed on a combination of sugars, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Providing a balanced diet is crucial for the health and well-being of the colony. Hydration. Like all living organisms, ants need water to survive. However, they cannot drink from open water sources due to the risk of drowning. Instead, they obtain moisture from food sources or specialized hydration chambers within the nest. Temperature and humidity. Ants are ectothermic creatures, meaning they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. Maintaining optimal temperature and humidity levels within the ant habitat is essential for colony health and activity. Colony growth and reproduction. Ant colonies go through various stages of development, from a single queen founding a colony to the emergence of workers, soldiers, and reproductive individuals. Understanding the life cycle of ants is crucial for successful colony management. Now that we have a basic understanding of ant keeping, let's explore some of the best ant species for beginners. Characteristics of beginner-friendly ant species. When selecting an ant species for beginners, several factors should be considered. Ease of care. Beginner-friendly ant species are generally low maintenance and forgiving of minor mistakes in care. They are resilient and adaptable to a range of environmental conditions. Fast colony growth. Ants with rapid colony growth rates are ideal for beginners, as they provide a more dynamic and engaging ant keeping experience. Watching a small colony grow and develop can be incredibly rewarding. Visibility. Some ant species are more active and visible than others, making them ideal for observation. Beginner-friendly species often exhibit visible foraging behavior and are active both day and night. Black garden ant. Black garden ants are among the most common ant species in temperate regions and are widely distributed throughout Europe and North America. They are relatively small, with workers typically measuring 3 to 5 millimeters in length. Ease of care. Black garden ants are highly adaptable and easy to care for, making them ideal for beginners. They thrive in a wide range of conditions and are forgiving of minor fluctuations in temperature and humidity. Colony growth. These ants have moderate colony growth rates, with queens capable of producing hundreds of workers within a few months under optimal conditions. Watching the colony expand and develop is both educational and entertaining. Visibility. Black garden ants are active foragers and exhibit visible trails as they search for food. Their behavior can be easily observed, making them an excellent choice for novice ant keepers. Carpenter ants. Carpenter ants are a diverse genus found worldwide, with species ranging in size from small to large. They are known for their polymorphic workers, meaning they have different-sized workers within the same colony. Ease of care. Despite their larger size compared to other ant species, carpenter ants are relatively easy to care for and can adapt to a variety of nest setups. Colony growth. While carpenter ants have slower colony growth rates compared to some other species, they are still suitable for beginners. With patience, a healthy colony can reach impressive sizes over time. Visibility. Carpenter ants are active both day and night, making them highly visible to ant keepers. Their large size and distinctive behavior make them fascinating subjects for observation. Non-aggressive. Despite their formidable appearance, carpenter ants are generally not aggressive towards humans unless provoked. They can be handled with care, making them suitable for beginners who wish to interact with their ants. Availability. Carpenter ants are commonly available from ant suppliers, with various species to choose from. Some species may also be found in the wild, although caution should be exercised when collecting ants from their natural habitat. Wood ants. Wood ants, also known as thatching ants or mound ants, are a genus of ants found in forests and wooded areas across the northern hemisphere. They are known for their large colonies and distinctive mound nests. Ease of care. Despite their larger size and more complex social structure, wood ants can be successfully kept by beginners with the right setup. Colony growth. Wood ant colonies can reach impressive sizes, with tens of thousands of workers and multiple queens. While colony growth may be slower initially, the eventual size and complexity of the colony make them rewarding to keep. Visibility. Wood ants are highly visible in their natural habitat, where they can be seen foraging for food and tending to their nests. In captivity, they are active and visible, making them suitable for observation. Non-aggressive. While wood ants can defend their nest if threatened, they are generally not aggressive towards humans. With proper care and handling, they can be kept safely by beginners. Availability. Wood ants may be less commonly available from ant suppliers compared to other species, but they can sometimes be found in the wild. Local regulations regarding the collection of wood ants should be followed. Ant keeping is a rewarding hobby that offers insights into the fascinating world of ants. For beginners, selecting the right ant species is crucial for a positive experience. Species such as Lasius niger, Camponotus spp, and Formica spp are excellent choices due to their ease of care, visibility, and availability. By providing suitable housing, food, and care, beginners can enjoy watching their ant colonies thrive and grow over time. With patience and dedication, ant keeping can be a fulfilling lifelong pursuit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and goodbye.